Good morning, students. Now today we are going to deal the third type of connective tissue, and it is skeletal connective tissue. As the name indicates, that they take part in formation of skeletal system of the body. Skeleton system of the body of the body. First we will see the structure. There is present a circular hole-like structure which is known as Harvesian canal. Harvesian canal, around which in many rings cells of bone are present. These cells are called osteocytes, and they are present in many rings, many ring-like structures. They are called osteocytes. In this way you can draw the diagram. These are osteocytes. These are osteocytes, the bone cells. Osteocytes, also called as bone cells. This is Harvesian canal. Which receives the blood and nerve supply. Now, as you know, in every connective tissue a non-living matrix is present, so it is matrix, and here the matrix is solid. Matrix is solid. That is why the bone is so hard. The whole structure or complete ring is known as osteon. So the structure of a DS of transverse section of bone. Now you will ask, what is transverse section? If you cut, suppose a twig of a plant, if you cut in this way, the two parts will become like this. So this section is known as transverse section. The unit cell of bone is called osteocytes. Osteocytes. Now the structure of an osteocyte. Now slowly you might be understanding why I had called you to make a interleaved register for biology, because every day we will make a number of diagram, 2 or 4 per day. Structure of an osteocytes. These structure finger-like projections are called canaliculi. Canaliculi. This is nucleus and this is cytoplasm. So the unit cell of bone is called osteocytes. Osteocytes are present in concentric rings. Concentric rings एक रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में प्रेजेंट है. मैट्रिक्स इज made up of 70% calcium and 30% protein. As the matrix of bone are solid, so the bones are hard in nature. The protein present in bones are called as osine. This is protein, osine. The Harvesian canal present in bones are filled with many nutrients and are responsible for receiving blood and nerve supply. Is it clear? Now the occurrence of bone, it is clear to you. Bones are present in all over the body. From head to toe, everywhere bones are present. Functions: they provide a definite structure to the body, protect the vital organ, various organs, vital organs organs, soft organs present in the body are protected by bones. Protects the vital organs of the body. Stores many nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, etc. Is it clear? Now it is all about bone.